Will AI replace teachers in the next 10 years? Simple answer, no. AI will not replace teachers, but it will change how teachers teach. What AI is good at? AI can explain lessons again and again without getting tired, give quick answers and feedback, help students practice math, writing, or languages, create quizzes and study materials, personalize learning, offering different levels for each student. This makes learning faster and more flexible. What AI is not good at? AI cannot understand a student's emotions deeply, comfort a student who is sad or stressed, control a classroom, teach teamwork and social skills, will inspire students with personal stories and real-life experience, build strong human relationships. Teaching is not only about giving information, it is also about guiding, motivating, and caring. Realistic analysis. In the next 10 years, schools will use more AI tools. Teachers will use AI to save time on grading and planning. Students may use AI tutors at home. Some online classes may use mostly AI, but classrooms will still need human teachers because children need supervision and emotional support. Learning requires communication and social interaction. Parents and schools trust human educators more. Final conclusion: AI will become a powerful helper in education. However, teachers will still be necessary because education is about both knowledge and human connection. So AI will support teachers, not replace them.